I'm Kendra, and I'm the author of the book 18th Century Hair and Wig Styling, History and Step-by-Step Techniques. I've just launched a new series of video tutorials that will show you how to create a wig style that is not included in the book, and it's historically accurate for about 1782 through about 1795. The style features soft, romantic curls and a halo around the face. It also includes the hanging structured rolls that were called buckles or boucles in the period. The top two wider rolls should function as these kinds of hanging rolls, and then the two longer but narrower rolls will fall forward on your shoulders, forming ringlets. In back, the hair is arranged in a catigan knot, where the hair is formed into a loop and tied. Of course, as with all of the tutorials in the book and the ones I will be creating for this Patreon, you'll be able to mix and match elements from different styles to create a custom wig that suits your preferences. All of the videos can be found on my Patreon at 18th Century Wig, and if you'd like to see the full 1780s hedgehog wig tutorial, click on Collections. All the videos you will need are there in order. Many of those videos are free, and they will walk you through every step of the process, from blocking your wig, which means attaching it to your styling head, to getting more hair that you'll then sew into your wig to make it fuller. There's also a free video that will show you how to attach wig clips into your wig, which is a very secure way to attach the wig to your head. For the paid videos, these will show you exactly how to curl the wig so that it works for this particular style, as well as how to permanently set those curls using hot water. The styling video not only takes you from a curled wig to the finished style, but it also shows you how to fine-tune that style to make sure that your styling turns out nicely. The hanging roll video will show you how to make perfect rolls with glue, as well as how to attach those rolls to your wig. And finally, the catigan back video demonstrates how to create that particular element. Although the paid videos can be purchased individually, you can buy them all together at a discount for only $25. If you'd like to learn more about different style variations, as well as the history of what hairstyles were worn when, check out my book, as well as forthcoming videos.